Hi and welcome back to another one of the Moonlight Scripts and Builds tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to install the free trial version of Moonbot for evaluating purpose. If you don't know what Moonbot is and what it's capable of, please visit the Moonbot website, moonlight-mce.net/moonbot. Well, there's a free trial version of Moonbot, and today I'm going to show you how to install and evaluate this. Let's start in the Moonbot shop. The Moonbot shop is located on the sim Starshine and Second Life, and here you can find the note card with information about how to download and where to get it. We start in the Moonbot shop and locate the poster on the wall where we can get this note card. Usually you would click here on this poster and would receive information about the download page. Okay, since I already know the address I just told you, I can minimize my viewer and start up my favorite web browser. In this case this is the Firefox. I type in the Moonbot website address. This is http moonlight-mce.net/moonbot. This is the start page of the Moonbot website. On the left side in the menu is a download link. I just click there. Read through all the text I find there. It contains the license and the terms and conditions. After I have read this text, I can click on the download link located at the bottom of this page. There I get my download file. I click on Save to Disk. Now my download manager starts up and starts to download the Moonbot installer. Oh, already done. It's not so big. Then I can just double click on this file to start up the installer. If you use Internet Explorer or different browsers, it may be some different procedure. Okay, now I can close my browser again. I don't need it anymore, and I got the installer of Moonbot running. First thing I need to decide is where do I want to install it. The installer already suggests a destination folder. If I like this folder, I can accept it. If I don't like it, I just click on Browse, navigate through my computer, and find another location where I want to install my Moonbot. Maybe make a new folder, name it appropriate like Moonbot, and select this new folder. Click OK, and then you see in the destination folder text field that your folder is already inserted there. Then just click on Install and fire up the installer. It tells you what it's doing. Then it shuts down and starts up the setup. This is the second part of the installation, the actual Moonbot setup. You will find several text fields there. They contain the bot's first name, last name, password, and here our avatar key, our own UUID. Previously I have already made a new account on the Second Life website because I need one account to use as bot. You can also use an existing alt account if you already have one. Otherwise, simply go to the Second Life website and create a new account. Then we have to start with the setup by typing in the bot's first name. Simply type in as it appears on the Second Life website. Then hit the tab key on your keyboard and go to the last name text field. I just type in the bot's last name. If you have created a very new account with only a display name, it will not have a last name. Just type in a resident in this text field, because every new account is named resident as last name. This is a quite old account, it has a last name. So for next time, type the tab key again and then insert in the next text field the bot's password. Make sure no one overviews you, because this is displayed unencrypted here. After you have inserted the password, the next tab brings you to the text field for the avatar key. So how to find our own avatar key? Simply go back in Word again. If you're using the Phoenix viewer like me, it's very easy. Just open your own profile. On the top of the profile page you will find your avatar key. You can simply right click and copy it from there. If you don't use the Phoenix viewer, if you use any other viewer who doesn't have this capability, just go back to the Moonbot shop. There's another poster on the wall. If you click on it, you will just be able to read your avatar key in OpenChat. Open a chat history and copy to the clipboard your avatar key. And we can minimize our Involt viewer again and go back to the installer. And we can simply paste our avatar key here. I just used a keyboard shortcut. This is Ctrl V, or I can right click and paste the avatar key into the text field. Since we're just installing the trial version, we're already done. If we want to install the full version, we have to insert the license key for the full version in simply the same way in the next text field, but since we are only installing a trial version, we're already done. There's another checkbox here. If we want to have a desktop shortcut, we can tick this. If we don't want it, we remove this option. After we have decided this, we just hit install. We get a pop-up with the confirmation that this is successfully installed. We hit OK and then exit. That's it. It's installed now, so we can start trying if our Moonbot will start up. We got a new icon on our desktop labeled with the name of our bot account, and if we simply double click this icon, we see the software starts. We get a DOS type window that we simply can minimize because it's not very interesting to watch the status messages. And then we go back inward to see if our bot account actually is logged in. Since I got my bot account on my friends list, I can just find it there. See, hello, it's there. Okay, cool. If you don't have the account on your friends list, you can just go to the search and see if the account is logged in. If we now want to test if the software really reacts to our commands and if all is well, we can send a teleport issue to the bot. That's what I'm doing right now. Send it a teleport, and if all is well, our bot will follow this command and appear right in front of us. Hello little one, you're there. So basically this means the software is running fine. Our computer is capable of running this software, and if it reacts to a teleport, it will react to any other command we can issue later with the several add-ons that we can purchase in Word. If we want to do another test, one more, we can send it an email. We can send it an IM with the simple word restart. It should now log out and log back in again. Oh, that's actually what it's doing right now here. The DOS window pops up again. So we see it restarts. After a few seconds it will bake and get its shape. And here it is back again. Yeah, well, that's actually all there is to it. We just configured our first Moonbot. Our computer runs the software, and we can now proceed to actually buying the Moonbot full version and the several add-ons we want.